Are you looking for the best rechargeable hand warmers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best rechargeable hand warmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Celestron FireCel Plus. The Celestron Elements FireCel Plus fit right in our coat pocket, which made it handy to tote around on cold days. We noticed the battery life was great and it came fully charged right out the box, with a carrier bag and lanyard included. It was quick to heat up and dual-sided for ultimate effectiveness of warming your hands. We noticed it does run quite hot, though that may not be a problem for users who run cold. We love that it's a 3-in-1 device as a hand warmer, portable power pack, an LED flashlight with 5 modes including red light and SOS, making it a great tool for outdoor adventures. The aluminum shell made it feel very durable and it held up in our real-world tests without any wear and tear. The details: 3.5 ounces, 103 to 114 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 12 hours of battery. Number 2. Survival Frog QuickHeat Pro Rechargeable Hand Warmer. Although the Survival Frog QuickHeat Pro Rechargeable Hand Warmer takes a while to reach full charge, it lasts a long time. We noticed that it retained full battery throughout all of our real-world tests, which was quite impressive. We appreciated how quickly this hand warmer became hot and liked that you can change the heating levels with a single click of the button, all of which was easy to figure out and operate. The capacity and consistency was fantastic and we noticed that each level of heat really felt different. It's portable and feels comfortable to hold with a favorable weight and smooth metal. As a bonus, this hand warmer is also a backup power bank to charge devices like your phone. The details: 7.2 ounces, 95 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 to 14 hours of battery. Number 3. Ororo Bay City Heated Hand Warmer. To make your hands extra cozy, the Ororo Bay City Heated Hand Warmer is our top choice with pockets to snuggle in and get toasty. For easy hand heating on the go, this hand warmer seems to do it all. With a detachable waist belt and muff-like design, you can slip your hands into warmth thanks to a fleece-lined interior that heats up quickly. We noticed it felt super cozy right away and appreciated the ribbed cuffs for a snug fit. We also really like that in addition to a battery pocket, there are 2 extra pockets for storage that can fit items like a phone and even earbuds. With 3 heat settings available indicated by colored LED lights, you can tailor your temperature to your needs in a breeze. We love that it's machine washable, on the gentle cycle. However, we did find it a bit heavier than other models. The details: 6.53 ounces, 100 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 14 hours of battery. Number 4. Snow Deer Heated Mittens. For outdoor enthusiasts prone to cold fingers while skiing, snowboarding, or sledding, the Snow Deer electric heated mittens are our favorite heated mittens for keeping hands warm. We noticed that the heat radiated nicely throughout the mitten, making them very effective. They fit great and were snug enough around the wrist to help keep snow out. The on-off button was easy to use and we appreciated the carrying case and clip to keep the gloves together or attached to our jacket. The material seemed flexible, which will come in handy when gripping a ski pole. The waterproof material and quick-charging battery makes these an ideal companion for outdoor activities on chilly days. The details: 104 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 6 hours of battery. Number 5. Gerbing 7V Heated Gloves. We love how effective these gloves are in just about any temperature, even for someone with chronically cold hands. They're ideal for outdoor winter activities such as skiing or snowboarding, and we appreciated how well-made and comfortable these gloves are. We love that the materials felt thick, durable, and protective, and the heating component lasts up to 8 hours. They're also intuitive to use and come with 3 settings to adjust your heat. The gloves take just around 3 minutes to heat up fully, and are easy to adjust without taking them off. The details: up to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 8 hours, water resistant.